Hi guys, so this is my Canon SL2 camera I purchased from Costco. Costco had the best deal, $650 and $711 with tax. So perfect deal. Let's open this up. This is my first camera. I saw it a lot in the store and decided to go with this, the SL2. It comes with a handy paper. I'll look at these papers later, but so this one came with 3 lenses, a memory card, and a camera with the chargers and strap and battery. So a really good deal. This is a camera box with a memory card, 32GB card, and a camera nice box, Rebel SL2, EOS, Canon, and a bag that comes with it. So this comes with a thing, a nice booklet, which I'll look at later. Also this review, I'm just showing the unboxing of the phone, but once I get to learn how the camera works, I'll make another review on the camera. But this is just so you can see what it comes with, the one from Costco. The shipping was really fast. It came in 3 days. So this lens comes with the camera box. So if you purchase from Costco, this lens comes with the camera box. That's the strap. Let's see how this works. I'll figure this out later, but this comes with a nice strap, you know. Obviously this is handy if you're gonna go take photographs. You're gonna most likely put that. And the camera. Surprisingly, this feels pretty light. The ones in the store that I was using, some of them felt really heavy. This one feels pretty light, which is good because you're gonna put it on your neck, and the last thing you want is heavy camera. So perfect for photographs. Let's see how it opens. It opens nice, nice feeling when you open it. Rotates, snaps good in place, solid, and when you close it, yeah. So when you turn it, you could take selfies or videos like this too. So that's how it opens, nice. So when you close it, snaps good in place, and let's open this. So this is without the lens. So it's a little light, but let's see how light it is with the lenses added. So I'm not sure how to put this on. It's my first time actually putting it on the lens, so easy to learn. You just twist it in, take that out. Oh, and look at that. Yeah, with the lens together, it's really light. Some other cameras I played with in the store felt a little heavier. So I'll figure this out later how to put this wrap, but really this feels like on your hand, so if you're gonna go out, I would say perfect camera to take with you. And it comes with 24 megapixel camera, 24.2. So astonishing pictures with this one. Let's see how the boxes inside. So it has 2 separation spots. Good enough. I mean, this is a good thing with Costco. It comes with all this stuff with it free. So this is the bigger lens. Let's see how it looks like inside. Yeah, so this is the bigger one. I'll learn this later, how this, what's the difference between the lenses. I'll check them out later and learn. So as you see, that's the end, and this is the smaller one, which is the, I believe it said 50 portrait lens, something like that. And this one is really small compared to the smallest one compared to the other ones. So it's really like nice, really small. I think the medium one is the one I'm gonna use. Seems like that's the one that comes with the camera. But probably this too, as I learn, I might need to use it later. But I guess that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. Have a great day. Bye.